I'm Pharmacist Ben, and it's time for another moment of truth. Nutrients can be broadly distinguished as watery or hydrophilic and fatty or lipophilic, that is those that dissolve in water, and others that are fat soluble. Hydrophilic nutrients like the B complex and vitamin C are fast acting and eliminated from the body quickly. Fatty ones, on the other hand, not only stay in the body longer, but they're also harder to extract from food. While hydrophilic nutrients act quickly, lipophilic ones, vitamins D, E, A, and K, some minerals like zinc and selenium, and omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, as well as their derivatives, take longer to work and are more about supporting the body's adaptation over time, as well as healing, building, repair, and anti-aging than their water-soluble colleagues. The trick to taking advantage of the youth and health-promoting effects of lipophilics is in the digestive system. That's because in the world of nutrition, benefits are not only about what you ingest, but what you actually absorb, and fat solubles are difficult for the body to process. Thus the importance of a healthy pancreas, liver, gallbladder, and intestine when it comes to enjoying the health benefits of the fatty nutrients. Always take your fatty nutrients with meals. And if you have digestive issues, it's helpful to use stomach bitters, digestive enzymes, probiotics, lecithin granules, bile salts, among other fat digesting aids with all your meals and with your supplements. That's today's moment of truth. Have a beautiful day. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.